Grabe naman ang balaba na yan.
Hindi ka ready ka ba sa iyong question? Ako, napakahirap nito. From Jeremy Velasquez, syempre may mga na-try kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya na paulit yung nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I thank you.
Pasado